In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now forming an ascending channel in the 4-hour time frame. But on top of that, guys, take a look at this. Ethereum, Avax, and BNB are now forming a rising wedge which we have to monitor. What will happen next? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kagabi, actually kahapon nagbigay tayo na warning kasi look at this. As of the time being na pino-monitor natin tong Bitcoin price in the hourly time frame, as you can see, meron tayong increasing price while the RSI is declining. So that is a sign of a somewhat na magkakaroon tayo ng bearish movement. And hindi ganun kalakas yung bearish movement. So, di ba sabi din natin, it's possible na if magkaroon tayo ng buy volume dito sa area na yan, then we might consolidate dito further. And if we're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, we're getting a lot of buy volumes dito. So, right now, we are just consolidating between the 43 up until the $45,000. And to be exact, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan nyo i-monitor is this 20 moving average kasi from there on, baka dun tayo pwede mag-expect na move sakaling mag-touch itong 20 MA. Which is right now, nag-touch tayo dun ngayon. And as you can see, we are not yet seeing any massive volume dito with the Bitcoin price action. But ang maganda tingnan ngayon dito is actually this ascending channel na you can actually find in the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, if you're going to zoom out, ito, meron tayong ascending channel within this 4-hour time frame. So this could be a continuation pattern. Ito, so i-continue natin itong movement na yan, itong by the support and then sa the resistance. Pero ang possible scenario dyan, if let's say ma-break natin yung support, then we might actually go down dito with the Bitcoin price. Pero magiging target natin dito would more likely be the previous support, which is around the $40,000 or 40.6 to be exact. So if we are going to go down with the Bitcoin price, ititingnan natin level within the 40.6K only if we break bearish. But for the time being, as you can see, we are still within this ascending channel na we are going to monitor in the coming days. So this could be a good swing tradable opportunity by buying at the support and then selling at the resistance area. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor in the coming hours, which is itong ascending channel. And then let's try to zoom out and look at this in the daily time frame. So if we're going to look at the daily time frame, you can see na we are still forming this wedge na malaki dito sa ating daily time frame. So ayan, you could say na this could be a double bottom pattern kasi if this is a double bottom pattern, then this could be a bullish trend reversal pattern, which is we are going to see by getting the height of this, and then yun yung ating magiging target, which is around the $55,000. But then again, this is not yet confirmed kasi wala pa tayong nakikitang breakout or any sort of movement na nagsasabing mababreakan natin yung resistance, which is the $45,000. So right now, double bottom is not yet confirmed, but ang pwede natin tingnan dito is this massive wedge na we could actually play within this area. So ayun, the reason why na kailangan natin sundan itong ascending channel na nag-form sa 4-hour time frame kasi if break natin to, then of course we are going to remain within this wedge in the daily time frame. But for now, we are going to monitor this from time to time if we are going to hold this support area dito within the Bitcoin price action at the 4-hour time frame, and if we are going to break this resistance within the $45,000. So that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, one of the best places to trade that is actually in BingX because dito you can actually trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible. You can actually open multiple trades dito kay BingX unlike sa mga ibang platform na isang trade lang pwede mo i-open per coin. Dito pwede multiple coins. So if you want to claim bonus ito with BingX, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So now let's dive into the altcoin market. And before we dive into the altcoin markets, let's dive in first with the Bitcoin dominance. Kasi look at this. Bitcoin dominance is right now forming a resistance dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance for our time frame. And look at this. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo, if we are going to get resisted by this resistance na nag-form dito sa ating 4-hour time frame, then we might see a possible healthy altcoin movement. And take note guys, Bitcoin dominance is a performance indicator indicating kung ano ba yung mag-perform better. Is it Bitcoin or altcoins? And always remember, if pataas yung Bitcoin dominance, then that would indicate na Bitcoin is going to perform better and altcoins are going to underperform or ibig sabihin mapapag-iwanan sila ng pump or mag-bleed. Pero if pababa yung Bitcoin dominance, then that would indicate na altcoins are going to be healthier. Pero if let's say nag-dip bigla si Bitcoin, if biglang malakas yung binagsak ni Bitcoin, at the same time nagde-decline yung Bitcoin dominance, then that is going to indicate na altcoins are going to remain healthy at hindi ganun kalaki yung bagsak nila. So right now, as much as possible, in order for altcoins to remain healthy, dominance must decline, but as of the time being, we might possibly see a short-term altcoin season if, let's say, this goes down. And with that being said, we are going to dive in with different altcoins for this video. So let's dive into Ethereum first. So as you can see, Ethereum is right now forming a rising wedge, and this is actually seen in the 4-hour time frame. And traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. So right now, we have to monitor this major pattern na nag-form dito sa 4-hour time frame. But for the time being, we are going to monitor this. And just to give you a quick recap of our previous analysis, what we were monitoring yesterday was this ascending triangle na nag-form na, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we could actually play either a bullish or bearish pattern movement dito. But look at this, we break bearish. So that's why we saw this movement exactly. And yeah, right now, ang i-monitor ko talaga dito for the time being is the 4-hour time frame kasi this is going to be a massive move if, let's say, ma-break natin itong support ni Ethereum in the 4-hour time frame. But if, let's say, makakuha tayo ng bounce dyan, then of course, we are going to target this next resistance that could possibly play around the 3.1k up until the 3.2k dito kay Ethereum price action. So that is what we are going to monitor with Ethereum. Diving into AVAX, as you can see, similar with Ethereum, meron din tayong rising wedge. But this one, mas maliit yung ating rising wedge. But still, this is a swing tradable opportunity which you can actually buy at the support, sell at the resistance, and then so on. But take note, this is a bearish pattern. So we might possibly see this move to the downside if, let's say, ma-break natin yung support. But as of the time being, we are not yet breaking this. So magiging support areas na kailangan natin tingnan dito. Kasi actually, unang-una, the $81. Number 2 would be around the $73. And last but not least, technical target ito is actually the bottom of the wedge, which is around the $67. So that is what we are going to monitor with the AVAX price action. Looking at BNB, meron din tayong rising wedge, and take a look at this. We are actually playing within this area, and I think we are just consolidating dito. Kasi diba sabi ko sa inyo kay BNB, wala naman tayong signs of a bearish trend reversal in the early time frame. Kasi look at this. In the early time frame, wala tayong increasing price na nagde-decline yung RSI. What only happened is nag-decline yung RSI, but the price did not increase. So that's why we were expecting more consolidation. And as you can see, right now for BNB, we are just consolidating above the $400 level. So as of now, we are still playing this one out exactly. And as you can see, still no signs of a bullish or bearish trend reversal. But what you can actually monitor is actually the moving average in the 4-hour time frame, which is itong 20 moving average. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor with the BNB price action. Kasi right now, if you're going to follow this, we are now actually starting to form a support area around the $405. And I think that is going to be a crucial area for us to hold if, let's say, we want to remain healthy dito with the BNB price action. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor with the BNB price action. And siguro final update for today, let's try to take a quick look with Axie Infinity price action. So as you can see, right now, let's try to plot ano ba nangyayari dito kay Axie Infinity. So I think previously, nagaling din to sa isang broadening falling wedge, which is, ayun, kita dito sa 4-hour time frame. So that is a bullish indicator kasi that could indicate na we might see a movement na if we break natin yung resistance, then we might see that movement, which is actually playing out. And the traditional target of a broadening falling wedge is actually the top of the wedge, which is na-meet na nga. Pero take a look at this, guys. Right now, the Axie Infinity price action is actually forming a possible rising wedge. You could say that this could be a possible rising wedge kasi look at this. We have that resistance as well as this support. Pero some would say that this could be a possible ascending channel kasi look at this, ito. If you're going to follow that resistance area, then you could see that this could be an ascending channel. But either way, we have a support area na we have to hold, which is itong line na yan, which is right now playing around the 53 up until the $54. So in order for Axie Infinity to remain healthy, we must hold this area around the 53 or $54. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor with the Axie Infinity price action. And yeah, siguro if pag-bounce tayo dyan, then pwede natin i-target yung previous resistance, which is around the $58. Pero I think ang maganda dito is actually around the $64 kasi look at this. Dun tayo may resistance previously kay Axie Infinity. So right now, that is what I am going to currently monitor with the Axie Infinity price action, especially in the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, siguro yung muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.